Hey friends, if you encounter the error repair version of Windows not found, please try again. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, if the repair version is not found, then you can download it from the cloud. That is also an option. So you would need heavy internet connection for that. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select recovery in the right pane. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything and then select cloud download. Okay, and then click on next. I won't click on it, otherwise it will initiate the process. And finally click on yes to initiate the process of repairing it. This will download the complete version of Windows 11 again and reinstall it again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.